Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Very easy, very simple. Let's dive in. First thing, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture. Let's find a post that we want to archive. Let's take this one for example. First thing, let's learn how to archive the post. All you gotta do is to click on the top right corner and three dots above the post. Here you will find option number 3, which is archive. You want to click on this and boom, the post is gone. If you go back to the profile and refresh, and well, the post is no longer here. Now I know you have the question, well, where is the archive, right? Where we can find these posts and actually unarchive them. Well, very simple. If you scroll back up, right, and then you click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture, you're gonna be sent to your own profile. Then you want to click on the three straight lines on the top right corner again, and you're gonna be heading towards archive section in the settings menu. You want to click on archive, right, and this is where you're going to find your post that we just archived. How are we gonna go about and send the post back to your page and unarchived? Well, you gotta click on it, right, and you have to click on show on your profile. Oh, guess what? We don't have any more posts that are archived. Do you want to double check? Well, refreshing the page, refreshing the profile, and the post is back here. This is how you archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.